These technical assistance videos are part of a series created by the Resource Conservation District of Santa Cruz County. Here is a list of equipment that you'll need to follow along with this step-by-step training.
All right, I'm going to show you guys how to install a pressure checkpoint in the middle of your drip line. So we have a strawberry bed here, and this is our coupler that has a Schrader valve attached to it. You can see there. So the first step is you need to locate your drip line. The easiest way to do that is just to feel her out. And I can clearly feel there's two lines right here. And what we have to do is just tear this plastic a little bit to expose the drip line. And I can see right here, there's an emitter. So you wouldn't want to put the Schrader where your emitter is. So I need to go down just a little bit away from the emitter. And ideally you'd use scissors, but today I just have a knife. So we're going to do a nice clean straight cut right down the drip. Then we're going to take our coupler and we're going to insert it into each side of the drip line and push it down as far as you can. Sometimes you need to fidget with it a little bit and then just turn and hold firm. And I can do a little test visual check and pull. Looking good. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So push it, twist a little bit to kind of help it down, get it seated. I can feel that that's seated, and while applying some pressure with my right hand, I'm going to twist my left. Now, you can see that wasn't properly seated like I thought, so let's go down a little bit further onto the coupler. There we go. And twist and do the pull. So I can see that we're good on both sides here and ready to turn on the water and check the pressure.